There are many different ways to measure success in Ceros, and just as every Ceros user's goals are different, the indicators that you use to measure those goals will differ as well. There are, however, key performance indicators, or KPIs, that can help you best understand how your content is performing and how you can optimize your content based on your findings. These are visitors, interaction clicks by object, and outbound link clicks. We'll continue to dive into these three KPIs and review how you can use your findings to improve upon your Ceros experiences to better reach your goals. First, we're going to talk about visitors. By analyzing your visitors and their behavior, you can make key improvements to your content and the way that you're promoting it. Ceros Analytics also provides you with a graph that shows you your visitors over time, so you can start to uncover if there are any peaks that correspond with your promotion efforts. Two key performance indicators to watch are time spent and visitors by page. Time spent can be found under Engagement Analytics and gives you a breakdown of how much time visitors spend on each page, as well as the average time spent per visitor on each page. This indicates to you if your content is resonating with your audience. If you see your time spent on each page is low, you can experiment with incorporating additional interactive components like carousels and pop-ups. Visitors by page can be found under Base Analytics. This view will list out all of the pages in your experience and how many visitors viewed each page. It will also show you a percentage of how many of the total visitors viewed each page. This view can give you a lot of context on how visitors are navigating and digesting your experience. In the next video, we'll dive into the interaction clicks by object section of your analytics and how it can help you improve upon your existing experiences.